Gundam. So oh, Ayori, look at the robot. You want to ride the robot, Ayori? How about you, Ayola? Hi, it's high? No, we can ride the robot. Yeah. And we can go out. We can go to the galaxy, Ayola.